Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And here we have an all stainless precision exhaust diverter with a precision flap. As you can see, it moves nice and freely. And what we do is we use a shorter pipe. This here is a partially built Blue Baron, so we're just interseeding this with an example of an exhaust diverter. A lot of our units don't even come with it. A lot of people don't bother doing water extractions, and even if they do, there are other ways of controlling the temperature. But some people want to use an exhaust diverter. So with this, we have a clamping system that allows you to put a throttle or a choke cable to control it from your front panel to whatever front panel that you have on your machine. So we have a bypass, we have an inlet coming in from your header, and then we have the discharge going into the heat mode going into your heat exchanger. This is extra long because I didn't have any short pieces. This is strictly an example. In normal hookup, this would be much shorter. It would be a 1.5 closed. And this would come over here and go down into, say, a T off the discharge part of your blower, and it would suck in. With the high pressure here would pull the gases from a low pressure system, and it would safely be discharged through your dampening universal silencer and out through the front. So the headers that we build are all stainless headers, solid headers, and we start out with a 1 inch, because this is a 1 inch, and then we go up to a 1.5. If we're using the big blocked engines like the 32 or the 37 horse Kohlers, then they start out with like a 1.25, and then we go up into a 1.5, so we can readily accept into the inlet of this exhaust diverter. And as you see, it moves really nice. It's very precision and airtight. So when you pull it this way, and you'd have a throttle again, you'd have a throttle or choke cable connected to a panel, and again the gases will go either blocked or go through your bypass. So when you pull it this way, it's going to block it, and then the heat gases will go down and be safely discharged through your silencer. So this whole thing would be moved over. It's all stainless, and if you decide you want to go 1.25, then you can use these bushings to put in all the openings and bring it to a 1.25 convention. So other than that, these are just beautiful airtight diverter system, exhaust diverter system. They work great. You don't have to worry about pneumatic problems with pneumatic controls and things like that run off the vacuum of your blower. There's just a lot of bells and buzzers that can create a lot of problems, and we found that the pull cable type of flap system is really the best way to go. It's trouble free. It's either on or it's off. So we like it. We've used it for years. Again, this replaces the box shape exhaust diverter, and it's actually more precision, takes higher heat. There's no binding. It moves nice and freely, even at very, very intense heat. And we really like what we've put together here. So call us today at 727-505-2989, or look us up on the Truck Mount store 24/7, and we'll answer any of your questions. So if you need one of these, we can build one for you. Thank you.